Make your English conversations dynamic with "Do you like?" Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on expressing likes and dislikes. Today, we're going to delve into forming questions using "Do you like?" with adjectives and adverbs. This can make your questions more specific, allowing you to understand and engage more effectively in English conversations. Before we jump into using adjectives and adverbs with "Do you like?", let's briefly recap what this phrase means. When we say, "Do you like?", we are asking someone about their preferences or feelings towards something. This could be an object, a person, an event, or even an idea. This is a very common question structure in English and is essential for engaging in basic conversation. Now that we know what "do you like" means, let's explore how we can use it with adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. They give more information about things or people. Examples of adjectives include words like happy, blue, large, or interesting. Adverbs typically describe or modify verbs. They tell us more about how something is done. Examples include words like quickly, always, sometimes, or very. When we add these words to our "Do you like?" questions, we can ask more specific and detailed questions about preferences. Let's look at some examples. Do you like loud music? Do you like to read quietly? In the first example, loud is an adjective that describes the noun, music. In the second, quietly is an adverb that describes the verb, read. Here are some more. Do you like spicy food? Do you like to travel often? Practice forming your own sentences using "Do you like?" with different adjectives and adverbs. This will greatly enhance your English conversation skills. Well, that's all for this lesson. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English language skills and confidence. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. So don't forget to practice using "Do you like?" with adjectives and adverbs in your daily conversations. See you in our next video. Happy learning!